No crop square. SquareDroid is a user-friendly Android application designed to help users transform their photos into perfectly square images without the need for cropping. This app is particularly useful for those who want to post their pictures on social media platforms like Instagram, where square formats are often preferred. The app allows users to easily convert their photos while maintaining the original aspect ratio, ensuring that no important details are lost. Users can enhance their images with customizable backgrounds, border colors, and patterns, adding a unique touch to their square photos. Additionally, No Crop Square SquareDroid may offer features like photo filters, stickers, and text overlay options, enabling users to further personalize their images. Overall, this app is ideal for anyone looking to share eye-catching photos seamlessly, while ensuring they fit perfectly within the square format required by many social media sites.